All right. Sandy Buns. All right. World famous Sandy Buns. Cinnamon roll. Raspberry iced tea. Agua. All right. Should I eat it now, y'all, or should I eat it later? After my food. Let's eat it now. What the hell? Cinnamon, butter. Yeah, there we go. Roll itself. It's a little hard. Not hard, but not as soft as I would have thought it would be. At least in this part. It's got some kind of skin to it. But I think once I get past the outer layers, have to become softer, but the glaze is on point. That's good. It's soft now. You get to the inside. Good stuff. Cinnamon roll didn't stand a chance, y'all. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Oh yeah, I need my silver. Thank you. I think that's it for right now. Barbecue. Oh, man. Going down. Man, I bullshit. I should have came here first. They got the brisket, the bacon. Let me take my ND filter off so y'all can see this clearly. Man. All right, let's see how it tastes. West End is jumping down to the entrance. The first beach you come to. Lots of folks. I just stepped out to get some food today, y'all. I ain't really doing the most. But probably get something to drink. Some cerveza or something. And yeah, that'll do it.
Big clip on Roatan.
Sunday's the fun day. Roatan.
West End, know what I mean?
Yeah, hey, look at it, he dripped out. Lays over here. Get that libation on. How you doing? Okay.
I got that sorry tattoo on her.
That's what's up. How long they here? How long y'all here?
They've been here for a long while or whatever. So
okay.
She's actually a professional baker. Like she has some really good stuff.
Gotcha. So yeah, it's looking pretty cool out here today on the West End. $1 for empanada, and it's pretty damn good. It's hot, fresh out the grease. I just came out for food, but I'm gonna hang around. What's up, man? Chillin', man. How you living? Good. How's it going, Chief? Good. Where you from?
Dallas.
Facedown, man.
Nice. Thanks for the building.
Yeah, no doubt. How long y'all been here? Going on 2 weeks, close to it, something like that. Losing track of time. Oh. Yeah. That was my thing. I came 16 days, I think, total. I leave this Friday.
What you want?
Just chilling, really. Came to unwind. I didn't want to do too much of anything, you know.
Yeah.
I do YouTube, so
Okay.
been shooting my YouTube, flying my drones,
Oh, nice.
getting scenic photography and shit.
How's that been out here? What are the drones laws like?
They're open.
Because I left mine at home. I was like,
They let you bring up. I haven't had any problem flying mine. Also, you're a diver.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten into that just yet.
I think you like it, man.
My 2024 resolution was to learn how to swim.
Okay.
I did that, and I got my scuba diving certificate.
Oh, you learned to swim and do it to the deep. Wow. That's what's up. So you got certified down here?
Yeah, she
Oh,
just
wow,
said, yeah,
okay.
She finished it today.
Wow. Maybe I might do it. We'll see.
Then you can start to do underwater photography.
That's true. That'd be a whole nother element to it. They come in like rotation, looking for it.
They come new shit every off day, bro. Swear to God on the island, bro. They coming in back and forth every day, bro. New shit, black, white, Spanish, fat. Up.
Kevin Gates don't play.
You know what's up?
Uh,
Yeah, west side. Roatan. That's we.
I had to threaten these cats with my camera to stop bickering because I didn't want to be in the middle of that shit. I come down here and get in the middle of some goddamn island drama. Oh my god. I can't even go in too much into details into it. That's what I'm not trying to do. And that's why I was like, I ain't even coming out tonight. I'm trying to be in no shit. I ain't come here for that. But cool guys though. Cool guys. They just, I don't know. You know, people rotate in and out this island and they stepping on each other's toes. Dudes, you dudes that travel, man, y'all be so ready to jump in some sand, man. And you gotta really peep out the scenario, man. At least as I do, like, there's a lot of shit going on behind the scenes. These cousins and got animosity towards each other. You never know what kind of backstory is going on. Messing around in these places. What type of danger you put yourself in behind some cut up. You know what I'm saying? I proceed with much caution. Alright? Because shit, man, this is just too dangerous to be out here to be sloppy. Sloppy with your jalopy. In my opinion. I still haven't really eaten anything. I had an empanada today. That's it. So I might go back to whatchamadoodle over there, Booty Bar, and get something. Stopped here with Costco to get something quick to eat. Got a little buzz. I don't want nothing fancy. I don't want to get shot a lot, but I need some sustenance. So I got me a couple of sliced pieces. It look like this fresh, pretty fresh. And a rum punch. I love drinking rum punch on the island. Yeah, it completes the whole experience for me. There we go. This pizza actually looks better than the other pizza I had.